Hello everyone. Let me ask if there is anyone here who has not been in contact with plants. Certainly not, because everyone who is born has no contact with plants. I'm just asking for fun. So do you know what plants are? Everyone knows that plants are plants and flowers, things that are not animals. But do you know about their properties? Surely there are some of you who won't know because even scientists haven't defined it accurately. In today's video, follow me to discover what the definition of plants is, and we will also learn more about their roles and characteristics. First, let's decode what plants are. Plants are very diverse and rich. In the world at present, it is estimated that there are more than 500,000 plant species, including seed plants, mosses, ferns and subferns, currently in existence. In 2004, 287,655 species were identified, of which 258,650 were flowers, 16,000 mosses, 11,000 ferns and 8,000 green algae. In our country there are over 12,000 species. They are distributed over most of the Earth's surface. Changes across different climate zones. Currently, there is no exact definition to answer what a plant is, but plants are often understood as follows. Plants are organisms that have the ability to create their own nutrients from simple inorganic compounds and build into complex particles by the process of photosynthesis, which takes place in the chloroplasts of plants. Plants are a complete ecosystem for the Earth. The second is about the role of plants. It can be seen that the role of plants is extremely important for humans. Without plants we would not be able to survive because we lack air to breathe and many other important roles. First of all, plants help regulate the air. During the process of photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, thus contributing to keeping the balance of these gases in the air. The amount of oxygen produced during photosynthesis is used in the respiration process of plants and animals. In contrast, carbon dioxide released during respiration and combustion is used by plants during photosynthesis. Thanks to the process of photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, contributing to keeping the balance of these gases in the air. Thanks to the effect of blocking light and wind speed, plants play an important role in regulating the climate and increasing rainfall in the area. Places with many trees, such as mountains, have fresh air because leaves prevent dust, kill some bacteria, and reduce environmental pollution. Plants help hold the soil and prevent erosion. When measuring the flow of rainwater falling into the forest, it is much weaker than where there is no forest, because the rainwater flowing through the foliage is partially retained before falling to the ground, rather than pouring straight down like there are no trees. Plants help limit floods and droughts. In places without forests, after heavy rains, the soil erodes as rainwater flows down, filling the river and stream beds. Water cannot drain in time and overflows to low areas, causing flooding. On the other hand, in that place, the soil cannot hold water, causing drought. Plants contribute to protecting groundwater resources. After rainwater falls into the forest, it will be partially retained and gradually seep into the lower layers to form an underground stream, then flow into low places to form streams and rivers, etc. It is an important source of water for living beings. Activities and agriculture. Forests not only avoid drought but also protect underground water sources. Plants provide oxygen and food for animals. Plants not only provide oxygen and food but also provide shelter and breeding grounds for animals. Plants play a very important role for humans, providing oxygen for humans, creating fresh air, and reducing environmental pollution. Limit the phenomenon of floods, droughts and landslides. Protect and preserve underground water. Providing food for people. Providing raw materials for a number of industries. Providing medicinal herbs. Landscaping. Third is about their characteristics. Plants are mainly autotrophic organisms. The process of photosynthesis uses light energy absorbed by green pigments. Chlorophyll is found in all plants, not in animals, and fungi are an exception. Although they do not have chlorophyll, it obtains its nutrients through organic substances taken from other organisms or dead tissue. Most plants do not have the ability to move. In addition, plants are different from animals in that they react very slowly to stimulation. The response often has to come every day and only in the case of a long-lasting source of stimulation. Above I have summarized the definition of plants, their roles and characteristics. If you have any suggestions, please remember to leave a comment, and remember to like and register to support me. My video is over. Hello and see you again.